Hello children, nice to meet you in your maths class. I hope you finish your homework on the given day. Yes children, now let's look at the answers to your homework sums. Okay, so all of you take your book, that's the yesterday homework sums. Take fast. Now let's look at the answers to your homework sums. So all of you take your book. Page number 9. Yesterday homework is page number 9. Yes? Take your book, page number 9. See the homework sums. Page number 9, exercise 1.1. Your homework is first question. In first question, A, B, C, D. Yes or no? Yes. So now you see in first question, A part. That's the beads are given. So you find out the number and write the number name. Yes. So your number is 2,10,764. Okay. 2,10,764. Inverse 2,10,764. Okay children. Suppose your homework sums have any mistakes, then you correct it. Okay. Please correct any mistakes in your sums. Okay children. Now the second question, that is B part. Okay. In first question B part. Question is in book only. Okay. Your answer also you written in book only. So you check the answers. Okay. Now B part. 1,03,021. Okay. Inverse 1,03,021. Okay children. Now turn the next page. Page number 10. Page number 10. C. C part. Your answer is 42,36,745. Okay. Inverse 42,36,745. And D. In first question, D part. Your answer is 64,90,633. 64 inverse 64,90,633. Okay children. So any mistakes you have, then you correct it. Okay. Write fast. Okay. Okay. Now you come to the second question. Okay. Now look at the second question of your book only. So draw beads on the abacus to show the number written below it. Also write the number or the number name as record. Okay children. Now you look at the second question of your book. This is not a homework question. Now today we are going to learn. Okay. So now you see the second question. Draw beads on the abacus to show the number written below it. Also write the number or the number name as record. Okay. So the A in second question, A part. Listen. Number, your number is 4,68,924. Okay, 924. So your number is 4,68,924. Now you draw the beads and the abacus and write the number name. Okay, children, this is the question. Your question is in your book only. Okay, so no need to copy in the classwork note. That is answer also you write in book only. Okay, so now you listen. Your question is draw beads on the abacus to show the number. Okay, so first of all you draw the beads on the abacus. Okay, here your number is here. So your number is 4,68,924. Okay, so now how many beads to put on the ones place? Say, so your ones place. Okay, this is ones place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so now you draw the beads on the abacus table. Okay, so first place, ones place. So ones place, what is the number? In this ones place is the number 4. Okay, so that's why you draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, in your number, in ones that is a ones place is 4. Okay, so you draw 4 beads in ones place. Okay, children, now in your number tens place have 2. Okay, so 2 beads, 1, 2. 2 beads in tens place. And hundreds place 9 beads. Okay, so in hundreds place 9 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, children, then thousands place. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, this is the place value of these numbers. So ones place is in 4. So that's why you draw 4 beads in ones place, and in tens place have 2. So you 2 beads draw in tens place. Then after hundreds place have 9. So 9 beads draw on the abacus in hundreds place. Okay, then next thousands place. How many beads you want to draw? 8 beads. Why? In thousands place have 8. Okay, so you draw 8 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, children, 8 beads. Next 10,000 place. Which number is there? 6. So you draw 6 beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next lakhs place. Which number? 4. Okay, so you draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, children, do you understand? Yes. So your question is draw beads on the abacus. Okay, that is finished. You drawn, yes. Now you write the number name. What's the number name? Number name. Read the number name. Read it. Okay. So before reading, that is already mark the periods. Yes or no? Yes. So you now reading or writing a number with period. So 4 lakh. This period is lakh. This is thousands period. This is ones period. So 4 lakh. Okay. 4 lakh 68,000 4 lakh 68,924. Okay, 924. Okay, so your number name is 4,68,924. Okay, children, do you understand? Yes. So now you take your book and write. Okay. I hope in your hand book is there. Yes. So now you complete it. In second question, A part. First you draw the beads. Draw the beads. In one's place onwards you draw. Okay. One's place how many beads? 4 beads. And tens place 2 beads. Hundreds place 9 beads. Thousands place 8 beads. Okay. 10,000 place 6 beads. And in lakh place how many beads? 4 beads. Draw the beads. Do it fast. Your work is in book only. Okay. Don't copy in the classwork note. Only you write in the book. Write fast. In second question, A part, page number 10. Diagrams already given, so you do only the beads. You draw only the beads and write the number name. Do it fast. Four lakh 68,924. Write the number name also, okay? Write neatly, children. Okay? Have you finished? Now, you see the B part. B part, okay? Number is not given. Yes? Number name is given. Okay? So your number name is 5 lakh 30,000 200 5 lakh 30,265. Okay, all of you listen. In second question, B part. Okay, see in your book. Okay, the second, that is in second question, B part. Abacus table is given. Number is not given, but your number name is given. Okay, so your number name is 5 lakh 30,265. So first of all, you write in numerals. Okay, here your question is given in words. Okay, children. So now you write in numerals. Okay, that means numbers. Okay, 5 lakh. So you put the place value chart. Okay. So your place value chart start from ones, okay? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, okay? So now you see 5 lakh, no 10 lakh, only 1 lakh, that is 5 lakh only is there. So, okay, this is a period. So 5 lakh, 30,000, your thousands period of 30, okay? 30,265, okay? So your answer is 5 lakh 30,265. Okay, children? In your question is given, what is given? Number name is given. So first of all, you write in numerals, okay? So 5 lakh 30,265. 5 lakh 30,265. Okay, now you draw the beads. Okay, that very easy, yes or no? So now you see the number in one's place. Which number? 5. Okay, so you draw 5 beads in one's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now in tens place have 6. So you draw the 6 beads. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads in tens place. Now this is a hundreds, yes or no? Otherwise you write ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, ones place 5 beads, Tens place 6 beats, hundreds place 2 beats. So 1, 2. Next, thousands place 0. 0 means nothing, 0. Okay, no beats. So don't draw the beats. Okay, children. Next, 10,000s place. How many? 3. Okay, so you draw the 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. The next, lakh position. How many beats? 5 beats. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in ones place 5 beats, tens place 6 beats, hundreds place 2 beats, thousands place is a 0. So that's why no beats. Okay, now 10,000s place 3 beats and lakhs place 5 beats. So your question, that is the answer is over. Okay, children, it's very easy. Okay, so first what is given? Number name is given. So first of all you write in number, that is numerals. Okay, then after you draw the beats on the abacus. Okay, children. Okay, now you copy it in your book. In second question, B part. Write it. First you write the number, then after fill the beats. Okay, and the abacus. Do it fast. Do it fast. Okay, I hope you have written. Yes? Okay. Now the question C and D is a homework. Okay, today homework in page number 10, the remaining sums. In second question, remaining sums C and D are there? Yes. So these two questions are homework. Okay, you mark it near the question homework. In second question, C and D. Okay, in second question, page number 10. Okay, so second question, C and D, homework. Okay, in second question, C and D is that is two sums are there. So these sums are homework. Do in the book only. Okay, children? Do in the book only. In C question, number name is given. So first of all, you write in number. Then after, you draw beats and the abacus. Okay. And in D question, number is given. So you write in number name. Okay. Then after, you draw the beats. Okay. Otherwise, you draw the beats and write the number name. Okay. Anyway. Okay, children? Now clear? Yes. Now you all of you take your notebook. So classwork note. Take your classwork note. Now all of you take your classwork note. I hope you have taken. Yes or no, children? So already in exercise 1.1, the first question is finished. Okay. So once your question answer is finished, you draw the one line. Okay, using your scale. Now you start the second. That is next question you start. Okay, children. Continue the classwork. Write today's day and date. Okay. Write today's day and date and continue the class. The margin line you put that is a question number 2. Okay, mark the periods in the following numbers. Okay, in second question. So today, day and date you fill, okay, inside the margin. Then after you continue the classwork, children. Don't leave any page. Okay, children. Now see the second question. Mark the periods in the following number. Okay. In second question, you see the first one. Okay. Your question is mark the periods. Okay. So your periods already we have studied. The period once consists of three places. Okay. That is ones, tens, hundred. And thousands period consists of two places. That is 1000 and 10,000. Okay. And after lakhs period consists of two places, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. Yes or no, children? Okay. To show the periods in the numbers, commas are used. Okay. So now you mark the periods. Your number is, okay. Now you mark. So rewrite the number. First period, ones period. Okay. Always start from the right hand side. Okay. Ones period. So ones period consists of three places. Ones, tens, hundred. So 100 after you put one comma. Okay. To show the numbers in the periods using commas. Okay, children. So 1, tens, 100. 100 after you put one comma. Then after thousands period. Thousands period, how many places? Two places. Okay. So 1000 and 10,000 after one comma. So you marked. Okay. So your question is mark the period. Number is given. Okay. So உன்னோட பீரியடை மார்க் பண்ணுங்க அப்படின்னா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்மளுக்கு எத்தனை பிளேசஸ் கழிச்சு ஒரு கமா போடணும்? 3 places. Then after two places. Okay, children. First ones period 3 places. This is a thousands period. That is 2 places. Then after lakhs period. Okay. Now the second question. Don't write, children. Okay, mark the period. First of all, ones period. Okay, so ones period, how many places? 3 places. Ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, 1, tens, 100. 100 after one comma. Then after thousands period. Thousands period consists of 2 places. Okay, 1000 and 10,000 after one comma. Okay, children. Now the third one. Okay, now you mark the periods. First of all, ones period. Ones period consists of 3 places. Okay, 1, tens, 100. So 100 after one comma. Then thousands period. Thousands period consists of 2 places. That is 1000 and 10,000. Okay, then after 10,000 after you put one comma. Then remaining lakhs period. Lakhs period consists of 2 places. Okay, children. So it's so easy question. Okay. Now you start your writing. Second question. You write, that's a question number all. You write inside the margin. Okay. So in second question, mark the periods in the following numbers. Okay. Write it fast. First one, second one, third one. Write fast, children. Write it in your classwork note. Okay. Second question, write the periods in the following numbers. First sum, second sum and third sum. Do it fast. Write fast. Write fast, write neatly, okay? Write without mistakes. Once a question is completed, you have to draw a line using your scale, okay? Now, the second question I hope you have written. Now, we are going to learn about successor and predecessor, okay children? So, listen all of you, okay? So, next topic is successor and predecessor. Already we have studied in the previous classes about successor and predecessor. Yes or no children? So, successor means? What is the meaning of successor? Successor, the number that comes just after a given number. Okay? The number that comes just after a given number is called successor. Okay? Predecessor means the number that comes just before a given number. Successor means after a given number. Predecessor means before a given number. Okay. So now I will write the definition. Okay. So you continue your writing. Copy it in your classwork note. Okay children. Write fast. Successor and predecessor. Okay. You write the heading and write. Okay. Subheading. Successor. Okay. Write it in your classwork note. Okay. Successor. Continue the classwork. Don't leave any page. Then once a question and answer is completed, you draw a line. Okay. Using your scale. Then after you write the subheading successor. Okay children, listen carefully. Stop writing now. Successor. Okay, now we are going to learn about successor and predecessor. Okay, successor, the number that comes just after a given number is called the successor. Okay, so for example, successor of 100 is 101. Okay, successor of 1 is 2. Successor of 3 is 4. Okay, that is successor means the number that comes just after a given number. Okay, after a number. ஒரு நம்பரோட நெக்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப்டர் த நம்பர் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், சக்சஸர் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1. ஓகே, நம்மளுக்கு சக்சஸர் வேணும்னா இந்த இருக்கிற நம்பரோட எதை ஆட் பண்ணணும், 1 ஆட் பண்ணும்போது நம்மளுக்கு சக்சஸர் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay, that is successor. Now predecessor. Predecessor means the number that comes just before a given number. Predecessor mean just after a given number. Predecessor mean just before. Successor after. Predecessor means before, previous. Predecessor, pre. Okay, before. Successor, that's after. Predecessor means before a given number. Okay, children? So, we can get the predecessor of a number by subtracting 1. Suppose we need successor means of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay, adding 1 to it. Suppose we need predecessor need means subtracting 1 from it. நம்மளுக்கு சக்சஸர் வேணும்னா என்ன செய்யணும், இந்த நம்பரோட 1 ஆட் பண்ணால் நம்மளுக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும், சக்சஸர் கிடைக்கும். அதே இது ப்ரெடிசஸர் அப்படின்னா என்ன செய்யணும், கொடுத்துருக்க நம்பர்லேருந்து 1 சப் பண்ணணும். சப்போஸ் ப்ரெடிசஸர் ஆஃப் 100 இஸ் 99, யூ சப்ட்ராக்ட் ஃப்ரம் 100 1. ஓகே, எஸ் ஆர் நோ, 100லேருந்து 1 சப் பண்ணால் என்ன வரும் நம்மளுக்கு, 100 minus 1 is equal to 99. Okay children, now clear? சக்சஸர்னா என்ன நம்மளுக்கு, ஆஃப்டர் ஏ நம்பர், அதர்வைஸ் adding 1 to the given number. Okay children, that's a predecessor means this is before number or subtracting 1 from the given number. Okay, now okay, yes, now you write it in your classwork note. You write the heading. Okay, successor and continue the classwork. Successor. Okay, the next line, the number that comes just after a given number is called the successor. For example, next you write predecessor. Okay children, now copy it in your classwork note. Continue. Write fast children. Successor, the number that comes just after a given number is called the successor. For example, successor of 100 is 101. Okay, then second, predecessor, the number that comes just before a given number is called its predecessor. For example, predecessor of 100 is 99. Okay, write fast children. Okay children, I hope you have written. Okay, now you come to the problem sums. Okay, your question is, Okay, listen. Next you come to the problems. First question, write the successors of the following numbers. Okay, first question, 7,34,901. Okay, 7,34,901. Here we want to find the successor. Okay, successor means the successor of the number means after a given number. Yes, the number that comes just after a given number is called its successor. Otherwise we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. இது கூட 1 add பண்ணா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? Successor. Why? The successor means the number that comes just after a given number. This is the next number after the number. So that is only called successor. So what is the answer of 7,34,901 successor? Say the answer. Successor of 7,34,901 is, say the answer, next number. That's after a number. Okay. So this is 7,34,901. The next number is 7,34,902. Okay. Otherwise we can get the successor of a number by adding 1 to it. Okay. So you add 1, 7,34,901. Okay. We add 1. Okay children. Add 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 9, 4, 3, 7. So your answer is 7,34,902. Okay, clear? Successor அப்படினா நம்மளுக்கு இதோட after next number இனி வரப்போறக்கூடிய நம்பர் எழுதணும். சரியா? ஸோ அப்படி நம்மளுக்கு தெரியல, கன்ஃபியூஷன் ஆயிருந்தா என்ன செய்யணும்? இந்த நம்பர் கூட 1 ஆட் பண்ணி எழுதணும். ஓகே, சக்சஸர் ஆஃப் 7,34,901 இஸ் 7,34,902. Okay, suppose if you don't know, if you have any doubt, mean by adding 1 to the given number. Okay children, clear? Yes. Now the second question. Okay, write the answer. Successor of 6,99,999. Okay, successor of 6,99,999 is next number. Which number will come? Okay, what we do? Adding 1 to the given number. Okay, so 6,99,999. We add 1. Okay children, so add 1. 9 plus 1, 10. So 0, that is 0. 1 carry. 9 plus 1, 10. 1 carry. 10. 1 carry. 1 carry. So your answer is 7 lakh. Okay, so 6,99,990. The next number is 7 lakh. Okay, 7 lakh. Okay, the next number, the successor is just after a given number. Okay, otherwise we add 1 to the given number. Okay children. Okay, now the third one. Say the answer. 56,94,000. Okay, 56,094,000. So what is the successor of 56,94,000? What is the answer? Successor of 56,94,000. What is the answer? 56,94,001. Okay, so otherwise we add 1. Okay, 56,94,000. We add 1. So your answer is 1000. 04,965. So your answer is 56,94,001. Okay, children? Now clear? Do you understand? I hope you have understood. Yes? Okay. Now, then you write it in your classwork note. Write the successor of the following numbers. In the first question, first one, write fast, children. First you put the heading problems, then after you write the question, okay? First question, write the successor of the following numbers. In first question, first one, 7,34,901. So the solution is the successor of 7,34,901 is 7,34,902. Okay. Next, the second question. In first one, second question, 6,99,999. So successor of 6,99,999 is 7 lakh. Okay. Just after a given number. Okay, children? Okay. Then third one. Similarly, that same question, 56 lakhs 94,000. So successor of 56 lakh 94,000 is 56 lakh 94,001. Okay. Yes. Write fast, children. Write fast. Okay. Now you come to the homework, okay? Take your book, page number 10. Page number 10. Today homework. All of you take your book. Already I gave page number 10. In question number 2, C and D. Yes or no, children? In page number 10, okay? Page number 10. In second question, C and D already I given. Yes or no? Yes. Then after one more homework. Page number, same page. Question number 3. Question number 3. Already in question number 2, C and D, I given the homework, yes. So that also there. Now the question number 3, you mark the question. Question number 3. This is question number 2. Now question number 3. B, D, okay. And question number 4. This is do in book. This also do in book. Okay, listen, children. All of you take your book, page number 10. This is today homework. So listen carefully. Page number 10. Listen carefully, children. Question number 2. Okay. In question number 2, C and D. This homework do in book only. Okay. You write the answer in book only. Okay, children. No need to copy in the homework note. Okay. So you do in book. And question number 3. Question number 3. Mark the periods. Okay. In question number 3 is a B and D. B and D do in your homework note. Okay, children? Do in homework note. And question number 4. Match the following and the number name with the correct abacus. Okay, match the following is there. So, already one has been done for you. Yes? So, the remaining B, C, D. B, C, D, that's it's so easy. Okay. So, 3 sums are there in match the following. So, that questions also do in your book only. Okay. Question number 2 and question number 4 do in your book. And question number 3, only 2 questions. Okay. That is B and D. So, that is do in your homework note. Okay, children? Are you listening? Yes. Okay. So, that's a do properly, do yourself. Okay. Okay, children. Now we will see in the continuation of this class in the next class. Okay. Okay. Thank you.